The need to strengthen existing laws against gender-based violence, improve survivor support for victims, and promoting community engagement would go a long way in reducing incidents of gender-based violence in Rivers State. These are some of the terms of reference developed by participants at the end of the two-day formal inauguration of the Technical Working Group for Gender-Based Violence in Rivers State. Namdi Olimini now reports.
Participants at the concluding part of the program also recommended that perpetrators of gender-based violence should be arrested and prosecuted, while survivors should be counseled and provided with support services. They also stressed the need for data sharing, regular meetings of stakeholders, and accountability and transparency in the implementation of the program. According to them, there is need for monitoring and evaluation, media advocacy and campaign, establishment of functional secretariat, capacity building for workers, and development of specific strategy for implementation of the program.
The Technical Working Group is a group of experts, as you know. So the reason why we're forming this Technical Working Group in Rivers State is to be able to synergize the efforts. There are so many different groups, working on GVB, but to synergize the efforts so that the collaborations will give us good results.
Part of what is causing or mitigating the epidemic, it's gender-based violence, gender and sexual-based violence. So when you want to talk about HIV, you'll find out that GBV is also incorporated, because we discovered that in our patients that are identified, that are positive, some are denied to access treatment as a result of gender-based violence.
Commissioner for Women Affairs, Dr. Roslyn Oranta, Executive Director, Widows and Orphans Empowerment Organization, Dr. Josephine Ogazi Egwanwu, and other stakeholders expressed optimism that the inauguration of the group would provide solution to the increasing cases of gender-based violence in Rivers State. They expressed appreciation to Rivers State Government, Ministry of Women Affairs, Ministry of Social Welfare and Rehabilitation, Ministry of Justice, and other stakeholders for supporting the program. According to them, parents of victims of gender-based violence should ensure that incidents or cases are reported to the group for prompt prosecution. By so doing, gender-based violence will be reduced to the barest minimum.
Now that this has set up, everybody should work together. They should work very well, so that this information will be gathered. Some areas, they have problem in their various families. They hide it. But with the influence of this, you will now bring out this problem. And there are people that will help you to solve it out for you.
The Technical Working Group is a technical team that will bring all stakeholders together. Ministry of Health, the police, the NDLEA, the Women Affairs, Social Welfare, all of us will come together, join hands to fight gender-based violence and manage it in Rivers State.
Overview of gender-based violence activities in Rivers State by the Institute of Virology and development of terms of reference for the Technical Working Group were the highlights of the concluding part of the program. Namdi Olimini, RSTV News.